Thanks again. And there's always one guy with that and many more stuff. Oh hey, welcome back to This Goth Can Cook. I'm Sir William Wells, and it's my birthday. Okay, every year, yet again we take another successful trip around that bright, hearty, warm ball that's shining in the sky and become 1 year older, or as I like to say, gaining enough experience points to level up. And every year on that day, we tend to celebrate our birthday. But I like to switch it up for us Goths, because we like to party more at night than in the whole day. So I've come up with this ingenious plan to get 2 parties out of 1 birthday, and it's called BirthNight. Here's how it works. BirthNight Part 1 is the day before your actual birthday. It begins at sundown, and for the next 6 hours, you're gonna party your ass off, invite your friends, invite your family, and go and have fun for the next few hours while counting down to midnight. That's right, counting down to midnight just like New Year's Eve. This is BirthNight Part 1. At the stroke of midnight, celebrate like you would New Year's Eve with champagne, alcohol, birthday cake, whatever you're in the mood for. Get hammered, do whatever you want. Have a grand old time. That's BirthNight Part 1. Then go home, pass out, and spend the entire day recuperating during your actual birthday. Then BirthNight Part 2. This begins again at sundown. And like BirthNight Part 1, the notion is kind of the same, except in reverse. Here you'll grab more friends or more family or ones that couldn't make it the night before, go out, have fun for a few more hours, then at the stroke of midnight, celebrate again. Keep it going. So that way you get 2 parties out of 1 birthday. BirthNight. Pretty genius, no? I hope you put it to practice and get the most out of your trip around the sun. Now, speaking of birthdays, I'm not going to cook anything today. However, I am going to show you how to make a shot that tastes amazingly like a slice of dark forest chocolate cake using 2 ingredients that have no chocolate in them whatsoever. These ingredients are Absolute Citron, vodka with citrusy flavor, and Frangelico, which is a hazelnut liqueur made by monks. Look, even the bottle looks like a little monk. Follow me down here. I'll show you how it's done. Okay, you can't get more simpler than this. Simply take your Absolute Citron, pour it halfway into your shot glass, like so. Then take your Frangelico and fill it to the top. And there you go. If you do want it chilled, simply take some ice cubes, take your shot glass, pour it in, take a strainer, give it a little bit of a shake, and pour it back into your shot glass. There you go. A Black Forest chocolate cake shot. So there you have it. Happy BirthNight. Bottoms up. So there you have it. Happy BirthNight. Bottoms up. Smooth. So there you have it. Happy BirthNight. Bottoms up. So there you have it. Happy breath. Bottoms up.